Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make GTA Online work on your PlayStation 3 again. Yeah, it's literally sitting on a PlayStation 3 right now. All you need is a USB flash drive. I have the 64 gig one. And you'll need a computer. Okay, I left the link to the Discord server in the description for the files where you can download them. The Discord server is called REV, which means, I think, Reload 5. And here, you're going to go on Install Files, then scroll up until you see this. Now, you might ask, what is this? But these nuts are the versions. These are the Europe and the USA versions, and for each region there's two versions. So how do you see your version? Well, first of all, let's say this is a GTA 5 copy of the game. You go back. You go and read it from the disk. But before you do anything, you have to know that you need hen or custom firmware. Basically, your PS3 has to be modded. Unless it's not gonna work. So it has to be modded for this to work. And you will need something called Multiman, which is basically your file browser. So we go inside. Don't really mind these lines, that's just the TV being damaged. The PlayStation 3 is fine. Don't really know why the Multiman has Windows 2000 startup noise, whatever. Go to the dev hard drive. You go to the game, not games, but you go to the game. Then here, my one is the USA version. It's npub 31154. So scroll down, 31154. There we go. This is it. And to make sure this is it, yes, there we go. GTA 5 and yes, back around. All right, great. So make sure to unzip the file with the WinRAR or 7-zip, whatever it's called, and you have these files now actually. So you go to the game here, US there, you have the eboot.bin. So you go there and you cut it and paste it to the USB. You go here and paste. Okay. You wanna go to the downloads, here, you go to the temp, do the same thing, cut. Now do not delete this file. This file is really important and most people don't even show you to do this, and that is why it doesn't work. This thing 100% works, it's tested, 100% works. So you go there, cut it, USB. Remember, you have to include these two files. Okay, now you also want to make sure the USB is FAT32 because PlayStation 3 can only read FAT32 without any apps and stuff. So once you have that, insert it in the PlayStation 3. Okay, I inserted the USB. Now do not close this. Move it aside. Go double click on here again. Go to the dev USB 3 zeros. And go to the eboot.bin. Click the circle, then this menu will pop up. Click copy. Now go to here, this one, and go to the use there. And there's the eboot.bin. Basically, what you want to do is click here and copy. So I already did that, I don't want to do it again. So yeah, once you did that, now you go back like this all the way to the TMP, which is basically the temporary file and stuff. So you go to here. We go to just this one. You go copy. You go then into here and paste it. Click copy in the root of this file, which means just copy it right away when you get in it. No, like, okay, so once you do it, you should see it right there. So yeah, once you do that, you want to close the Multiman, quit. Yes, you can get out the USB, you don't need it anymore. This might take some time. Now you go to your GTA game. And you should see it work. Now, it might look different on me because I already set it up and it works and I play it sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it when you're first up playing it. There is glue on the screen. How the hell did glue get on the screen? What the heck, dude? Okay, so this pops up. There you go, Revi. This is your first time playing. Make sure your Discord is linked to your PSN in verify here, and press circle to hide. What is he doing? Oh. Okay, so this might pop up on the black background, but it just pops up randomly. So you close that. Now you don't want to go to online yet because it's going to complain because you didn't link your account. So what do you do now? Well, now you go to Discord, same server, just scroll down until you see bot.commands. Actually bot-commands. Okay, so once you type in the slash, this will pop up. These are the commands. You type link. Okay, so I'm already linked, so it's a relink on me, but it's just like this on you, link PSN. So the PSN name will pop up, the little like window right there. So you type your name in, your name of the PSN account, and click and press enter. It's gonna show it down the list. So you wanna go and restart GTA 5. You wanna get out of it and get back in, and then go GTA Online. It's gonna want you to sign in. Play GTA Online. Go. Yes, it might say this. Yeah, it might say this, so just try it again after this. Yes, there we go. It might be... Shut up, Michael. It might be buggy sometimes, so yeah, try that again. Yeah, you can see now there's more options, so now it should work. Yeah, there we go. Once you see this RDB, that means it's gonna work usually. Now on me it freezed once, so it might freeze again, but it froze and crashed. It might crash once or twice, but that's pretty much normal. Now if it worked, it should ask you to make a character, but I already did that, so I don't have to. Hey, there we go, it worked. I don't know why is the audio so like crappy and stuff. What the f you want? Go f yourself. Yeah, the audio is kind of crusty. I don't know what is because of that. The police is chasing me.
FBI, open up!
So yeah, I guess that is how you play GTA Online again in 2026. Thank you for watching, I guess. Join my Discord server. Thank you for watching, and bye.